Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today I did this, it's a stitch, and I did it with the blend tool. And if they're going along evenly, the stitch looks good. But when they're going along this curve, the stitch is off. Two things you can do. Well, the best way is probably this way. Select everything with the pick tool, and then select, well, you know what, we're not even going to do that because it's going to mess it up. So what we're going to do, well, we want to do that. We want to go to make sure they're ungrouped. Ungroup all, so everything's ungrouped. And then these two stitches, if we'll grab the shape tool, we'll open up the Docker under Windows Dockers and join curves. I've got mine set on 0.1. And if I'm going to select these two and I'm going to hit apply, then I can actually select that node and delete it. So now we have an even stitch. It's going to take a little time, but once you get used to it, it's not, because you only have to do the ones that are curved. This to me would make it look so much better. You don't even have to delete that one probably, but just select those two nodes. You can't really do the whole thing because some of these nodes are too close to each other. You know, if we look with the parallel dimension tool, you know, that is under, I mean, it's 0.06 away. So that would close up if we did them all at one time. That would be neat if we could do it, but really no way you can. So the best way to do it is to select everything, then grab your shape tool and you can see your nodes. And then when you do that, you can see all the nodes and just select those two center nodes. And then you don't have to delete it. You could make it a curve, but that looks so much better. And you could probably make a macro for this that would save you a little time across the screen. But to me, the stitch would look so much better. And, you know, you don't have to do, you know, once it gets to the, where they're kind of straight, you probably don't even have to do them. But delete them, and now you've got a good clean stitch. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, or you, and thank you for watching.